So this video is basically about simultaneous equations, but simultaneous equations have got their own standard at level 2. So in algebraic methods, you're going to be using simultaneous equations to solve problems that involve quadratics or something else. The other thing I think it's important to identify is the fact that I don't think most of you are going to be using elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. At level 2, I think that's far more likely you're going to do substitution. So that's what this video is going to be focusing on. But it also has to form the equation, and it also has to solve a quadratic. So there's lots of different bits going on here. So I've been given that there's this park being, and they're building a pen for some antelope, and it's going to go around here. So if I look at this, I've got a perimeter. So my perimeter is x minus 10, which would be that bit, plus y, plus x, which is that bit, plus y minus x. Sorry, y minus 10, which is that bit. So that's my perimeter, and they've told me the netting I've got is 334. So therefore, if I collect like terms, I've got 2x plus 2y minus 20 equals 334. So 2 bracket x plus y equals 354. So x plus y equals 177. So that's my first equation in my simultaneous equations. The next equation is they tell me the area of the pen. So my area of the pen is going to be xy, because it's x times y, but I then need to take away 100 from that, because xy includes this little square there, and that's going to equal 6,000. So I can rearrange this formula as an equation of x in terms of y or y in terms of x. It really doesn't matter. So I'm going to make y equals 177 minus x, and now I'm going to substitute this part in for y here. So I get x bracket 177 minus x minus 100 equals 6,000. So that is minus x squared plus 177x minus 6,100. That's my quadratic. I'm not actually going to solve that. What I'm going to do is going to be smart, and I'm going to use my calculator. And let's be honest, there's no point in trying to factorize 6,100 and going round and round in circles. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula, and I'm going to generate the answer really quickly. So I'm going to get x equals 130.12 and x equals 46.88. So those are my two values for x. Now I can substitute those back in, and if x is 130.12, y equals 46.88, and if x equals 46.88, I'm going to get y is 130.12. And there you go, I've solved my quadratic formula, but I solved it using substitution method of simultaneous equations.